How you guys doing today? Let me ask you a question. When is the last time you were in your home and a piece of furniture made you smile? Today, furniture is manufactured with a disregard for uniqueness built in big factories. The company was inspired by my late great-grandfather. Around the age of 10, he started introducing me to woodworking techniques, building simple picture frames and tables that are still in his home today. Late August 2017, I took a trip down to his farm in Alabama. It was in his workshop, reminiscing on the past memories we had. And I picked up his old saw that you see on the bottom, as well as an old dusty pallet that I found in his barn. I brought that back to Maryland and I built this coffee table here at the top. Not only is this a purpose in my home that I see, but his legacy is in it every time I look at it. At TL2 Woodworking, we take reclaimed materials like pallets, wood scraps, and tree slabs like you see in this one here. As of November 2017, we've sold to over 45 customers with a 25% retention rate, as well as sold pieces on this campus, including this piece here and that coffee table. Today, we are asking for when we sell pieces to each customer, we not only want to sell them a piece, but give them a purpose. We want to work with them very closely to remind them why it's here, where it came from. Today we're asking for $10,000 in regards to expanding our shop and making it a more efficient workshop and equipment, as well as expanding our marketing resources, hiring help, and hiring more help for our accounting purposes. So as our company continues to grow, I invite you to join our journey and become a part of our story. Thank you very much.